Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 10-minute salsa workout from the follower's perspective. If you like these videos and you want more, click the link in the description below to find more information about our new program. Alrighty guys, we are going to start with a little bit of cumbia. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, here we go, and back. Keep going. Get ready and overturn. Keep going. Very good. Let's do side. Go. And side. Tap side. Double basic. Here we go. And back to the basic. And overturn. Side. Double basic. And back to the basic. Okay guys, it is time for some salsa. Let's get to it. We're gonna start with that basic step. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. Let's repeat it. 5, 6, get ready. Side basic, go. Do it again. 5, 6, get ready for the cross basic, go. Repeat. And continuous side. Repeat. And back to the basic. Get ready to the side. Repeat. And cross. Get ready after this. Continuous side. Go. Last one. And back to that basic, go. the side. And get ready, cross. And get ready, continuous side. Last one. Basic. Very good, side. Alrighty, guys. Now we are going to take that same routine and we're gonna do doubles of everything. So get ready. We're gonna start with that basic step. 5, 6, 7, go. Back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward. Do it again. Back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward. Now we're gonna go to the side. Side, 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 side. Repeat. Now to the cross, basic, go. We're gonna repeat this cross basic again. Here we go. After this, we're gonna do that continuous basic, but a double. 5, 6, here we go. Do it again. And back to that basic, go. Get ready for the side, go. Get ready, 5, 6, cross, go. Repeat it. Get ready after this. Continuous to the side, go. Do it again. Back to that basic, go. Forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward. Very good, keep it up. To the side, go. Five, Forward, 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 forward. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.